Different stages of life. Baby, birth to 12 months. It's during this first year that your baby's brain begins to develop memory, language, thinking and reasoning skills. Toddler, 1 to 3 years. The toddler years are a time of great cognitive, emotional and social development. Child, 3 to 12 years. Children aged 3 to 12 years can also be referred to as school-age children or simply kids. Teenager, 13 to 18 years. The teenage years are also called adolescence. Adolescence is a time for growth spurts and puberty-related changes. Adult, 18 and older. In most states, 18 years old is considered the age of majority when your teen is considered an adult. Middle-aged, 40 years. Middle age is the period in your life when you are no longer young but have not yet become old. Old, 80 years. Old age is the range of ages for people nearing and surpassing life expectancy. People of old age are also referred to as old people, elderly, elders, seniors or older adults. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for next videos.